Hello everyone! Today we're going to test out the difference between FCC and CE mode in Avata 2. I am going to show you guys if the FCC mode is worth to change it. So let's start it. First, I am going to try to fly it on CE mode and see what max speed I can get with it. As you can see, the max speed on CE mode is only around 67 kilometers per hour, so it is not what we actually want. Next, I will test the range on CE mode and see on what distance it can go. As we can see, the max range of Avata 2 on CE mode goes around 1,000 meters, so you can't really fly for a nice distance. Now let's move into the FCC mode and see the difference of the speed. The maximum speed goes around 100 kilometers per hour, so now we can easily tell that FCC mode gives us much more speed. And the last test is the range. Let's see the results. The distance I got is 2,400 meters. It depends where you are, so the range can change the maximum of it. To sum up, FCC mode gives you significantly better speed and range on the Avata 2 compared to CE mode. If you want to learn how to switch your Avata 2 to FCC mode, check out my other video shown on the screen right now. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. That's all for today. See you in the next one.